At Park Lane Windows, we know that selecting new windows and doors for your home is an important decision, and we understand that you'll want to get the look and feel just right. As simple as sketching on a pad, our unique virtual showroom application allows you to draw your new windows and doors in real time, pricing as you go. Designing a new look can be fun, and our platform encourages you to play, trying out different styles, materials, and options. Touch and see the results.
I like these handles, they look great. Can I see the frame in grey?
Well, that's no problem. Let's have a look.
Explore our colour ranges. Adjust the frame. Switch the pattern of glass. Every last detail can be customised. It really takes out the guesswork.
It's looking great. Just trying to imagine what it's going to look like on the house.
Sure, well, let me show you.
With a few clicks, we can superimpose your designs onto a photo of your house, so you can immediately envisage your new windows and doors in situ. Want to try a different colour? No problem. You can still make changes and immediately see how it looks. And when you're happy with your designs, we can provide you with a clear and detailed quotation featuring a makeover of your home with your new windows and doors installed and photorealistic inside and outside shots of each product. That way, we can be sure that we've got everything right from the get-go. It couldn't be simpler. Design your windows and doors and see how they look in real time. Visualize them installed in your home. Enjoy transparent pricing and clear technical detail. Save time and minimize error with Framepoint virtual showroom technology. Park Lane Windows, serving Northamptonshire with high-quality glazing since the 1980s.